So I'm going to show you in this YouTube video how you can earn $145 in 10 minutes or less on Clickbank using free traffic. Yes, this tool is called Snipply. And if you don't know what this is, I'm telling you, you better make sure you watch this all the way to the end and don't miss out, because this tool is going to generate you some profit. It's going to make some money right now. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I create videos every single time. So subscribe. Let me know. A simple little tap. That's all I'm asking for. Not much. And that way you can be the first one to know every time I create a new video, so you can grab that method and you could jump with it right away. So free traffic. Yes, free traffic on Clickbank, $145 in less than 10 minutes. This is going to be a new method. It's been working for a lot of people, so that's why I want to share it with you right now. So let's dive into it. So the first thing you need is, of course, a Clickbank account. Once you create the Clickbank account, you can find tons and tons of different things that you can use. You can find software tools that people wants to use inside of their business. There's some parenting, there's families. You know the deal. If you know about Clickbank, you should have taken some time to really go through all this stuff. So I'm going to go into the health and fitness for this one, because the health and fitness is such a large and it's a popular niche that people are always trying to find a way how to stay good, how to be fit, how to lose some weight, how to get some diet supplementary. Men are always looking for health. Women are even better. There's spiritual health, strength training, yoga, you name it, remedies. Man, there's tons of stuff. Tons and tons of stuff here. But the reason why I'm using this tool, because this tool is going to help you to generate some profit. It's also going to help you to generate leads if you're looking to collect leads, and you're going to be getting some conversion as well. So this tool is still hot. It's still going, and people are making money using this method that I'm going to share with you. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. So as I said, that I'm going to be using the health and fitness niche. This is the product that we're going to promote. And the reason why I want to promote this particular product is because the average read bill is about 5%, which is not bad. The average sale, you're looking at a 72% conversion. So that means out of 100 people, you're looking at 72 people who's going to convert. Now, not 17 people who are not looking to lose weight. It's not going to happen. It converts very high in like cold traffic. So that's why I picked this one, because the method that I'm going to show you is with cold traffic. And the gravity score is over 585. So that means there's over 585 affiliates promoting this product right now. So it's called Proven, the biggest blockbuster of 2020, and it's proven. If you want to go do your research, by all means, go do your research. I am not affiliated with this company, nor do I know these people. I just see it's a great product. They have great reviews, so why not? And you want to make a little bit of money, so that's cool. I'm down for that. So you want to head over to the affiliates section. If you click on here, it's going to take you right over to the affiliates tab. I'm just going to back up for a little bit, and this is what it looks like. So you could sign up for it, and once you sign up for it, or you could say, no, thanks, you don't need any bonus and everything, and it will take you here. So you can find the product information. There's banner, there's product image, there's keywords. If you're looking to get some keywords, you can download these keywords. There's email swipes if you want to put these in your autoresponder for those of you who are marketing with your autoresponder. And if you want to get an autoresponder that is working right now, check out Aweber. It is free until you get 500 subscribers. Then you have to pay like $20 a month. But you could download the emails. If you got FAQ, you want to contact them, you can do that as well. So everything is clean, very sleek, and it looks good. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be promoting this product, and we're going to click on here. You want to grab your affiliate link just by clicking here, grab that link. And when you copy this link we are going back to Snipply. So we're going to create a new snip and we're going to put this in. So we're going to put the URL right there. URL looks good. Okay. So we want to put a new call to action. New call to action. That's what we're going to be doing. You could change the brand, select the brand if you want. You could put your picture. My advice is you don't want to put a picture on there. So you want to put a picture of the actual product. So let's find some product image. What I'll do, I'll take a good old screenshot of this. Take a screenshot. And once I take a screenshot, now we're going to go back over here to Snipply and we're going to find a brand. If you want to sign up for these, you could sign up for the monthly thing, $29.79, but you don't need any of that. Because what I did, I signed up using my Facebook account. Apparently, if you want to use different things, you have to sign up. But you don't want to sign up right now because you don't want to take your money and do that type of stuff. So if you want to use your Facebook page, oops, where did it go? Let me put this back here, create snip. I'm going to change this, call to action. As I said before, if you want to create a brand, you have to pay. You can just use this one, not a problem for right now. If you want to change your Facebook, if you want to create a personal Facebook and change that picture to it, then you would have to do that. There's another one that is called Backly. So if you want to go to Backly, so you have Backly and you have Snipply, two different tools that you can use. They both do the same thing. So Backly or Snipply. So here, you want to put a call to action button. And for the message, you want to put a nice message here. So the message that I put together for you is right here. I'm going to put this, copy this, put this over here. Hey, I found some great information about losing weight. Pretty cool. Always changes get instant access. So I always want to put instant access because I want people to click on it. So this reason why I changed it because my picture is on there. Great. So you want to continue and finish. Beautiful. Now you could copy this link and you can share it. If you want to go that route, you could copy the link, you could share it. But we're going to do something very unique because we want to do it the right way and we want to attract way more quality client. So I just showed you the first method. So this method, this is if people just want to copy this and post it, right? You're not going to get as much conversion as what I'm going to share with you right now. So you want to head on over to Google and you want to go to health blogs weight loss. Once you go to health blog weight loss, you'll find tons and tons of different blogs. So you can copy this one. And this is the best weight loss of 2020. Now we want to grab the URL. Okay. So we'll grab the URL. We're going to go back to Snipply. Head on over to Snipply. And we want to create a snip. So we want to create a snip. Create this snip right here. So if you look over here, you see the best weight loss, create a snip. And this is where we want to put the link from Clickbank. So let me grab this link, create the link, copy this link from Clickbank. Once I copy this link, oops, didn't do it properly. Want to make sure, you got to make sure that you do this right. So we're going to head back on over here, put the link right there. Boom, snip it. And then you want to copy this. So now we're going to test it. So if I test it, there's a link right here. So you want to share this link. And once you share this link, I'll tell you where to share it. So while they're reading this blog, they're going to see this pop up. You could change its information. You could say, hey, new weight loss program just came out. See, I just clicked it and it took me right here. So you see how cool that is. So this is a great way of getting people, right? So anywhere they click on this, it's just going to take them exactly. So while they're reading this, they're taking notes, they're writing things down. They're going to see this pop up because it's not going to go away. It's right in front of their face. So you're going to have better conversion. And once they click on that, it's going to take them here. They could watch this video and then they will just sign up right away. Boom, that's money in your pocket. And every time someone buys this, that's $145 in your pocket as right here, average sale, right? So the money is going to be rolling in because majority of people always go for the popular choice. And this company is willing to pay you $145 for anybody who sign up. So once you create this, now it's time for us to share the links. So we're going to grab this. We want to head on over to the different social media platforms. The first one we're going to go is in Facebook. So I want to go to Facebook. I want to type in weight loss. Once we type in weight loss, you'll see a ton of different groups. Come over here and find the groups here. There's lots of different groups. There's weight loss groups. There are over 100. But you don't want to come in here and you don't want to share your links. You don't want to spam your links and all that stuff. Okay? You don't want to do that. What I would recommend when you go into these groups, so the people who like, the people who comment on these groups. So I'm showing you the way that when I just started, I was aggressive on the internet. So people who like and comment, these people are what you call people who are always online and always engage. So I will reach out to them and I would just send them a message. Pretty simple. Send a message to their inbox, right? So I would say, hey, hey Mary, hope you're doing well. I didn't want to disturb you, but I've noticed we are in the same group. And you put the name of the group. You always want to put the name of the group, right? So put the name of the group in the same group. And we have something in common. Now I know we don't know each other. However, I have found an article with 20 tips about health and wellness. You don't want to put weight loss because they will block you. If you don't mind, you can also check this out as well. So you could tell them the benefits and everything, and then you could put your links, right? Click here. Now, not everybody's going to click on it, but if you do this as much as possible, and you just share this with people, you could do that. You can also go on to different groups, different pages, different things. Find the people who are engaged and share your links. Some of these groups even allow you to share links and share posts. You just have to read the rules of the groups, and then once you do that, you're going to be good to go. So you could just do that using free method, free traffic and everything, and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. And you can go out there, you can start crushing this, and you could start making money. This is the way that if you don't have a lot of money, you could do this, make some money. When you start having money, that's when you start doing paid advertising. All right. Appreciate you and catch you on the next video. If you want to see what I'm doing and my #1 recommendation, hey, check out the link in the description. Peace.